So in this video I'm going to be replacing not just the one that I think is going to be the issue in the vacuum system. I'm going to be replacing all of it as much as I can. So I've got three pieces of vacuum hose, 5mm. Well, the original pipe measured 5mm, but I think these ones are a little bit smaller. So yeah, I'll make my way. I'll do one by one and see how we go. Right, small update. The tape covering this was, for some reason, because there's no clamp on it, can't get this off. There's tiny little stress cracks on the plastic, so that's going to break. Then peel back this tape and the hose is split, which doesn't help. And then I noticed as I pulled these off that the nipple here is broken, so I'm going to need a new one of these. So I need a new one of these, new intake pipe to begin with. Yeah, and I'll carry on doing the vacuum lines and see how far I go. I'll probably run out of hose, to be fair, but yeah, at least it's a start. So found another one. One of the vacuum lines goes underneath the throttle body to something down there. Can't really see it. It's, the camera pick it up that direction, somewhere there. Just about to see the nipple there. So, there we go, another broken vacuum line. So yep, carry on going. So they're the ones that I've replaced so far. As you can see, just need moving around in the holders, but yeah, fresh vacuum hoses. Only ones I haven't done is from the throttle body to the back here, and then to the carbon canister. There's also one at the back here, just here. There's probably more, but they're the obvious ones that I can see. So yeah, I can't really go any further until I get a new intake pipe and the solenoid on the side of the airbox. So yeah, fingers crossed one of these was the issue. So I've had another hour or so today. So I've now removed the battery tray. The fuse box is now loose. I've removed the bracket for the earth for the battery. The top slam panel has been removed so I can clean that up. So yeah, just trying to get as much room as possible. The plan is to degrease this area just to tidy it up. It's no show pony, far from it, but if I can make it a little bit tidier, then I will. So any brackets that I can remove within reason, I'll paint up and whatnot. This side, power steering reservoir is loose, can't really do too much this side, but yeah, I'll do my best. Yeah, so I managed to find another intake hose and solenoid, so I just gotta wait for those to come into the post, and yeah, I'll crack on from there. So I've now degreased the turret area down by the fuse box, and then the other side behind the power steering reservoir and whatnot. It's still not 100% clean, but it's the best I can do at the minute. So yeah, time to reassemble everything. I've painted the brackets, just need to go grab some stainless hardware, and yeah, it should start looking like a car again. I was a bit slack doing videos in between all the work, but the weather's not looking too good, so I thought I'd just crack on and get it all done. So everything is now reassembled. Battery tray, battery, the cover, fitted a retaining clamp because that was missing. New radiator hose on the top here. Tom supplied a replacement for this side. It's not new, but it's in a lot better condition. New hose clips. Slam panel cover is on with stainless hardware. Just need to find the bolts for the airbox. But yeah, it's looking good. New intake pipe now fitted. Hopefully this one will last a bit longer. Coolant tank is now refilled in the radiator. There's the rad cap there. If I go underneath the car, just to show you, this was the state of the old coolant. So, like an awful yellowy green colour. I have filled it with fresh green. Granville with deionized water. At work, there's a bit of a conflict with information. One company says red, one company says blue. I decided to stick with green as that's what was in it. Tried to have a look on Google, the Owners Club, but I couldn't see nothing that confirmed. So should be alright. So yeah, now it's time for the first start. So it turns out these battery terminals, the nut is all the way down tight and it's still loose in the terminal, so I'm going to have to sort that out. Tried jump starting it and it wouldn't jump, so I think my spare battery's died as well. So unfortunately I'll have to conclude the video there and we'll find out next time.